Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to yet another amazing video. So today we are going to be doing an amazing hair growth tea that's going to triple your hair within weeks. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this particular video with me. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not, share a beautiful comment, and yeah love, let's get the video started. We are going to be making a rice recipe. Okay, so the first rice I'm going to use is white rice. All right, this is a white rice I have. White rice it strengthens our hair, it smoothens our hair, it has unique benefit for hair growth, it promotes faster hair growth. Okay, particularly when you ferment the rice, okay, to achieve hair growth. So this one here is red rice, so I'm going to be giving you guys the benefit of red rice. Red rice is high beneficial, okay, for hair growth, okay, due to its rich content of zinc, iron, and natural ingredients, which strengthens your hair from the root, reduce hair fall, and stimulates new hair follicles. Okay, so it's nourished your hair. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is clove. Clove also helps in promoting hair growth. It has antibacterial properties that helps in clearing your scalp in case you have like dandruff, itchy scalp. When you apply clove regularly on your hair, it's going to help you to clear those itchy scalps. So you need a clean jar just like this. I'll be making two different fermented rice water. Okay, so the first rice water I'm fermenting is for the red rice. So I'm going to be using this tablespoon to measure it. So I went in with 2 tablespoons of red rice, then I added in a little bit of clove, then add water. But before that, you need to rinse your rice. Okay, so that is what I'm doing right now. I'm going to rinse out the rice in case of sand or dirt. After rinsing out the rice, before we add in the water we need for the fermentation. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on the video to watch. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share a beautiful comment. My name is Naturally Jessie. Here I create a lot of amazing ingredients that's going to help you to promote your hair growth. So I had just added my clove inside this rice, and I added cold water because it's going to ferment, so no need of using hot water. So I added the water till my satisfaction, then I will cover it and allow this to ferment for 24 hours, guys. Okay, so the same thing I did for the red rice is the same thing I'll be doing for the white rice. Okay, so white rice on, I put 2 tablespoons and rinse it. After rinsing it out, then I added in my clove. Okay, so that's what you should do. Rinse your white rice before you add in your clove. Then I'm using cold water. Okay, add cold water to your desired level you want. Then this is the rice water the first day. Okay love, so this is the rice water the first day, and this is the rice water after 24 hours. Okay, so I did this a day before in the morning, and the next day this is in the morning, so that is 24 hours, right? So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to be straining. So this is the white rice and this is the red rice, so there are 2 different rice water, and I'm going to be using them in 2 different way. Yes guys, immediately I open it, you know, the rice water used to have foul smell, but I was smelling it and there was no foul smell. I feel it's because of the cloves that I used to ferment the rice, because you know, if you ferment rice just like that without adding anything inside, you will definitely perceive a foul smell inside. Yeah, so I'm going to be using this cheese cloth to sieve the first rice water, which is the red rice water. I'll sieve it, then I'm going to transfer it in my spray bottle. I also added MSM powder inside this rice water because I want the rice water to be very, very potent. So love, if you watch this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share a beautiful comment. For the MSM powder measurement is 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, so after that, mix everything, then you transfer it in your spray bottle and you spray. This is my leave-in spray. Okay, I am not going to be rinsing this out from my hair. I'll be spraying this on my hair, which I'll show you guys how I spray it and how long I'll be spraying it. So love, please watch the video to the end, and if you're not subscribed, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. You can do well to join my membership. Is another amazing way to support your baby girl, guys. So here are the both rice water. Okay, you can see the two colors are different. One is a bit darker and one is a bit lighter. Hi guys, so I just finished making the tea, and this is how I always sometimes carry my hair, either with my wig or natural like that. So because of this tea we just did, this rice water tea, I'll be removing my wig and show you guys how I'm going to be applying it on my hair. Okay, so my hair now, I did this hair on the 20th of December, so 20th of January made it 1 month. So today is 30. Yeah, today is 30 and my hair is already looking very, 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 very old and rough. This is my wig. I'm going to put it aside and I'll be right back. So I'm going to lose my hair. Like the other tea, I will use it for the rice, the white rice one. I think I'm going to use it when I'm washing my hair. Then the red rice one, I'll use it as a leave-in. This is my hair that is not up to one, that is a month, and I'm already having growths. A month and today is 30, so a month and 10 days. A month and 10 days, already having growth. So what I'm going to keep it simple. This leave-in, I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to spray, and it does not have any foul smell as of today. So today is day 1. I think I'll use it for 7 days and see how it looks like on my hair. So this is the red rice and cloves with my this thing inside. What they call it? Right here. MSM. So I'm going to keep it simple because I'm going to be applying it almost every day. Not every day, but almost every day. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add leave-in condition. Last thing I'll add is oil, because I say I want to keep it simple. So just the right water, leave-in condition and oil. That's how simple I want to keep it. I don't want to put butter and the other one in my hair, so I don't build a lot of build up on my hair. So just keeping it simple. Massage. So I'm going to do this off camera and I'll be right back. So guys, I am done. This is my hair. My hair aren't smelling. It's not smelling. So let's see why I don't really like using rice water, because of the smell. But let's see after let's say maybe 4 days, if the water will smell. I'm going to be putting the water inside, like this one I'm going to put it inside the fridge, and this one that I want to use as a maybe a treatment. I don't know if I'm going to use it as a treatment, or should I use it as a washing this thing. I don't know, but this one I'm going to put inside freezer. Yes, this one I'll put inside freezer. It's going to freeze, so when I want to use it, I'll unfreeze it and use it to make my hair. So this is going to be very, very potent, because it's going to be inside freezer. You know, when something freezes now, to stay like that, so it's going to be inside freezer. Why this one is going to be in the fridge? I'll be using this one. I'll use, like, today is 30, so the next time I'll use it is 2nd, which is on Monday. Then 2nd, the next time I'll use it is 4th, then 4th, the next time I'll use it is 6th. So I'll be skipping 1 day. I'll skip 1 day, I'll use it again, skip 1 day, use it again. That's how I'll use it till this is finished. When this is finished, I will either I'll do a short sit down video, okay, showing you guys our progress, because this video will come up before this will finish. This video will come up, I think, on a Tuesday. So to come up on a Tuesday, yeah, on a Tuesday. So that's when this particular video will come up. But anyway, guys, this is my hair after spraying it. If my hair is not smelling, does not have any foul smell for today. So if on Tuesday I am uploading this one and this video, so that should be on Monday, I'll give you guys updates of if my hair is smelling or not. I'll do a video updating you all of it. So yeah, anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give the video a massive thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not, share a beautiful comment. I have used rice water and clove before. It really grew my hair. So this one I'm giving it a different game changer by using red rice. I have never used red rice before. This red rice water before, as I said in as the video was going, the benefit is really amazing. So this is my first time trying it. I've used white rice and clove, which was really amazing, but this is red rice. The benefits of red rice and white rice, they are two different benefits. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Yeah, so bye.